What's up, y'all? It's me, DIY-Elie here. Now, let me introduce you to a product. Super clean. I have this for my car, and as you can see, it's pretty greasy. So let me test this to see if it indeed dissolves grease pretty easy. Let's spray. All right, so I sprayed the whole thing. I'm gonna give it a second. I also have this is my engine cover right here. And look at this. Look at how dirty or greasy this is. Spray this super clean, tough task cleaner, degreaser, and see how fast and easy it dissolves all these grease I have here. It kind of look like as if it's sticking the greases off already. So let's see how clean these two things are going to be. Oh wow. Oh. Oh wow. This product works. Yeah. I mean, come on. If you was to compare from what this thing looked like earlier to this, all I did was spray it, leave it on for a little bit, and wipe it off. This is clean. And that's not the only thing they have. This is, this one is dissolve grease very easily. And this one right here, they have it for you to clean your car wheels if you have cars right here as well. So there are a variety of products that you can use. And if you look over here, you see example of some of the other products that they have. You need to go get you some, man. The link will be in my descriptions for you to go ahead and get you one of these if you, so you can clean all your greases off, man. Because I can tell you from just using it, as I just show you, it works and it works perfectly. So get you one.
Whether you want the degreaser or the one to clean your wheels, you can't go wrong with this product. As I just showed you, it works very well. It actually works better than I expected it to work. I didn't. This is my first time using it. I didn't know it would work that well. So, click down below. In my descriptions, you will find the website. Go ahead, click on there, and go see all the variety of products that they have. Look how clean that is, huh? And cap you in, okay? All right. Bye bye.
It works.